Hello. 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 Yeah. Hi. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mukesh. I'm from Cheese Photography Magazine. Uh, if you guys can hear me, just type on the chat that you can hear me. So yes. There was an echo earlier. Seems like it is okay now. Great. So welcome everyone. Welcome to this session, this webinar. Today we are going to discuss the THC grant contest and an exhibition. So we had a lot of questions, a lot of queries from different participants. We would like to clarify all the queries. It is not possible to answer each and every one of you. So that's why we are having this session. Guys, if you whoever has a question, please raise your hand. I will unmute you and we'll take it from there. That will be a good approach to go ahead. So we have, I'll unmute you. Please go ahead and on the chat you can raise your hand so that we know that who is asking a question, and then I can walk you guys through the session, which about the details. Okay, so we have first. I'm unmuting you, Deepak. So let's take it from there. Just a minute. I'm back to somehow I'm not able to just give me a second. There seems to be some trouble. Okay, please raise your hand now. I would be able to unmute now. So first question from Deepak is when the result will be announced. So result will be announced on World Photography Day. All the finalists will be called. So let me give you a scenario here. So first we have a grant. For the grant, we are people have submitted. We have around more than 200 applications as of now. A lot of them are incomplete. but 60 plus applications which are found to be having all the information. First shortlisting will be done by mentors on World Photography Day, that is 19th of August. For photography contest, the result will be announced where the winning prize is a camera. The result will be announced by our jury members on World Photography Day. Hope that answers the question. Uh, how we can use mobile to shoot Milky Way photos. So this is not a right platform to ask about the astrophotography. However, if you want to learn anything, you can go to our YouTube channel. We have a astro session there. This session is primarily for, we are discussing related to uh, this contest, this particular event. Anyone, any question? You can raise your hand or you can type in the chat or you can type it in the question answer section. So the question from Dheeraj, what is the difference between white lenses and black lenses? Again, this is not a session for teaching the photography. This is the session for our photography contest. So we can take it offline or we can discuss, like you can find a different venue for that. Um, we next question is from Mansi. Mansi, please go ahead. You are unmuted. Mansi, we can hear you. You can unmute yourself and you can ask the question.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Actually, I wanted to ask: is in the rules and regulations there were submissions for videos as well, right? So I wanted to ask if the grant was also for a videography project, like a video documentary or something like that.
Yes. So we already have specified this in our like all the terms and conditions. And if you visit thc.com, thc.cheese.com,
Right.
all the terms and conditions are defined. Yes, this is open for video as well as for photos, and it is open for all the genres.
So for videography, sir, is it open only for like documentary style or also for films and other independent stuff?
See, it is open for anything and everything. So there is no restrictions on genre. There is no restriction on type of photography. So
Okay, okay.
anything you have, any genre you have, it is open for.
Right. So if I want to apply for films, and if I have a portfolio of films, so how do I submit? Because it has a file limit, and so should I submit in a lesser resolution, or
What size of file you have?
I have it around 11 MB or 11 or 12 MB.
Okay. So the limit on the form is up to 1 GB. So that should not be
Okay,
a
all right,
problem, and you should not be submitting that heavy file.
all right,
You can reduce the size of that file and can submit it. But
right,
11
right,
MB, 11 MB, 50 MB, there should not be any problem at all.
right. Okay, thank you, sir. That's all I wanted
And,
to ask.
and yes, there is an option to upload photos as well as videos. So
Right.
Entry will
Okay.
accept both formats.
Right. Right. Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah.
A question from Tushar: how can use mobile to shoot Milky Way again? This is again not a relevant question. I got rejected because project description is missing, but I have written the project description. An anonymous attendee. If you could raise your hand, I can open your profile and I can share you what exactly the project description means and why it is got rejected. Whoever this person is, it says anonymous attendee. Uh, Vineet Sharma, how can I submit photos? So this is, I'll share it with you. There are two events which are happening, and you can go to thc.cheese.com and there you can submit your photos. If you want to apply for grant, there is an option there. There is a link where you can click on that link, and for grant, the Google form will open, and you can upload your work there. If you are looking to submit your participate in the contest and exhibition, then you can click on the link there and it will take you to cheese.com, CHIIZ as in zebra.com. There you can upload your work. Hope that answers. Okay. Now we have the next question is, what basis portfolio would be evaluated? So for photography and for the like the basic, there are judges there. They are from different genre, but typically they will look in any image. They will look for a story. They will look for technicalities, and they will look for composition. So these three factors are the main factors to look into any image, and based on that, these like these will be like judged. All the images, all the videos will be judged. Hope that answer. Sumit, in future scope important from grant, can I submit my work regarding culture awareness? So guys, for the grant, you can submit any project which you think that you want to do it. And because of resources issue that you cannot spend that money, this is grant is given, and anything which you think appropriate, you can submit. There is no restrictions. There is no guidelines that you can submit. You can submit even for the weddings you want to do. You can submit wedding, street, travel, wildlife, birding, fashion, whichever like genre you have, whatever you want to do it, define it properly, and you can submit it. Anonymous attendee, if you could, you have a problem with your portfolio, if you could come online and I would be able to help you on that. There are judges from different genre. What is the key to impress them all? This is something which you need to figure it out. If the work is good, at end of the day, everyone is an artist and they are well-known photographer in the industry. Although they are from, the reason we have from different genres, so that the type of work which you submit, at least we have somebody to review that work. Hope that answer. And if your work is good, definitely they're gonna like it. Nitya Desai, I got rejected because project description is missing, but I have written the project description. Nitya, if you could come online, I can show you right away that we can review it together, what the reason would have been to get it rejected. So here the project description is what work you want to do in future. One line would not work, you need to define it, you have to do a well-defined. And based on that, the grant decisions will be taken by these jury members. So writing into one line may not work. You have to have a proper plan. For an example, I want to, capture one certain story. For an example, I want to capture a Pushkar photo festival. So I'll have to define that this is the thing which I want to do it. This is the cost it's going to be, which money which you are looking for. Uh, next question from Tushar Rana. Only the participants who are participated with this contest, right? I have no idea what exactly you mean. Tushar, if you could come online, I can unmute you and you can ask a question, but I cannot figure out what is your question here. If anyone has any question, please raise your hand. We have a question from Vineet. Vineet, please go ahead. You are unmuted right now. You unmute yourself and please go ahead.
Hello?
Please go ahead, Vineet.
Hello? Hello, हाँ sir. Hello sir.
Please continue. Please go ahead.
Sir, मैं कह रहा था मैंने I went your website thc.cheese.com. After that, I clicked on this on that event, the THC contest.
Okay.
After that, I log in for participate.
Okay.
After that, after participate option, there is no sign to upload the photos or.
So there is a sign. If you go to cheese.com, let me share my screen right now, and I can show you where you will find an option to upload.
I clicked on participate option. After that, there is no sign for.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to clarify it now. So please be online. I'll be happy to answer you that. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me. So if you go here, you can go to cheese.com. Okay, cheese.com. So very first option is you would find on top right. So on top right, you would see that there is an option to add photos and upload those photos. Okay.
I use laptop and PC both.
Right. So I'm showing you, no worries. So here, if you log in, so first you have to sign up. Were you able to create your account and log in?
Login. I have login my account.
You are able to log in. Okay.
Yes.
So
this is event.
okay. So the way once you log in with your account,
I have tried from last 4 to 5 days, but
just a minute. Wait a minute. Here you will find an option to upload photos. Did you try this?
Yes, upload the photos.
Did you try this or no?
No.
Okay, so there is a one option, you go from here.
Okay.
Second thing is you click on the contest. You will see all the open contests here.
Yes.
And for example, you want to apply for any contest, click on that contest and you will find an option to participate.
Participate, yes.
Right? So
yes,
try any of these two ways and you would be able to participate.
Okay.
You can apply other contests too if you want.
Okay.
Okay. So
After
next we have Sumit. Yeah, any question, Vineet?
After participate, we can submit photos from the
photo. So it will ask you to upload photos. The uploaded photo means you have taken a participation, you are already participating in the contest.
Okay.
And same way, let me show you how to participate in the grant. So the grant page is here. Once you go to the grant page, there is a link to apply. If you see here, this bright color button is for apply. If you
Okay.
click
Yes.
on
Apply.
apply, it will open a Google form. And these are two different things. You must apply for both separately if you are looking to get into, to get a grant, as well as if you are looking forward for the contest.
Okay.
So here you can fill the information and you can apply.
Okay.
Okay. Sumit, go ahead.
Maximum 10 photos.
No, there are 20. Limit is 20. So
Okay.
you spend some time and read all the terms and conditions. There
Okay.
is not even a single point you will find that which is not mentioned there.
Okay.
So you can submit photos and videos. Maximum number is 20.
Okay. 20.
Sumit, please go ahead. Sumit, it seems like the network problem with Sumit. So there is a next question was from Mansi. We have already replied that yes, it is open for videography too. Nitya Desai, I got rejected because the project description is missing. I had written, Nitya, if you could come on voice call, would be happy to share the screen and show you what might have gone wrong. Next question is from Deepak. What are the steps to complete to join the contest properly? So to join the contest, you need to upload the photos and that's it. Next one is, so only the participants who are participating with this contest, right? So this question is not clear. And do we have Sumit? We are all good? Anything? Okay, I'm removing your hand. And anyone else would like to ask any question? Anyone? Feel free to ask any question you may have. No question? Okay, seems like all the things are clear to everyone. If no one has any question, we can end this call. If you have any question, please raise your hand, and we would be able to we would be able to help you. Sumit or anyone? No question? Okay. Okay, guys. If you guys have no question, we can unmute, or like we can finish this call. I guess we have some more questions here. This is about the work I'm researching right now. So Sumit, already we had you on call. Sundaraj, I already submitted, but I haven't got a confirmation. So Sumit, which confirmation are you looking for? If it is for grant, how to know whether you have got it submitted or not? You can click on that link again. And if you have submitted with that email ID, you will open your application and you can make any change also. In next 4 days, that application will close. You would not be able to make any change. Or to find out about the contest, you can go to that particular contest and click on my photos. and you would know what all the photos you have submitted for that. Hope that answered, Sundarraj. Can children upload their photos? Yes. So Rakhi Nagpal, there is no limit or no age limit for grant. So please go ahead and you can participate. Sumit, we have already answered. Mansi, we have answered. Sumit, you have one more question you can ask if you have. Anonymous, he has a network issue. You will not be able to turn on your mic. I'll have to unmute you from here. If anyone of you have any question, you can raise your hand, and we would be able to answer any question you may have. So Deepak Kumar is asking about the project. So maximum number of applications which are rejected, they are because of let me open the application status. So maximum applications were rejected because of three reasons. One, there is no project description. Two, there is no amount defined. And three, there is no breakdown given. So we have made everything transparent so that you don't have, you should know that what is the status of your application. If you look at the proposal project details, so a lot of people, they haven't filled it. They haven't filled the project details, that why they are looking for money, what exactly they plan to shoot. Budget is that they haven't defined the budget properly. For an example, if you are looking for $1,000, then there should be a breakdown and justification that how you will be using that money for. And a lot of people have written that they have asked for the money to buy the gears. So a lot of applications are not selected because this grant is not to buy the gears. This grant is for, we assume that you are a photographer, already have gears, and you want to capture certain events, certain type of photography. So for that, you need money to take care of your expenses. Only exception here is for gears is that you want to rent some special gears for your work. So those special gears may be related to anything, like, so the rental may be covered, but the buying of the gears, this is not covered for this grant. I guess we are all set. No one has any question as of now. And anyone want to raise hand, please go ahead. Sumit, you can go ahead and ask your question right now. This is a good opportunity. You raise your hand and I'll unmute you. You are asking, is it topic restriction? No, there is no restrictions on that. Sumit, go ahead and you can ask your question. You are unmuted. Please unmute yourself and go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, Sumit. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask if there is any topic restrictions regarding the issue that I want to work with. So, can I discuss my topic if you don't mind?
Sure, sure. You can discuss if you are
So
comfortable.
I want to do. I want a grant for a local drink which is pretty famous among tribal people in Jharkhand, India. So my issue of concern is whether if I will be glorifying the use of alcohol or not. So is that kind of restrictions there in the grant?
See, I would not be able to answer that. That is the judge how they take that subject. Certain things which looks taboo in other life, like nude photography and certain other subjects, but those are pretty much acceptable in art. How they're gonna take it, it's very difficult to like. I'm not the right person to answer. Even the judges and jury would not be able to answer because there are multiple of them. How they take it, what's your project is all about, whether it's related to culture, then you need to make your own judgment whether this is the right project for you.
Thank you, sir. Next question I would like to ask is what is the word limit for my project description? Like I have researched a lot and I have a pretty much of research, but I am confused whether how much should I be able to include in the research.
Okay, so the answer to that is there is no word limit or maximum or minimum, but as a logical way, you should put your project with best possible way so that with minimum reading, with the synopsis, we should be able to identify that what exactly you want to do. It should not be too long or too short.
Okay, sir. And one last question would be, is the future scope of work necessary for my work that I'm doing? There is no specific future scope that I'm seeing right now as a photographer, because that is not my job as a photographer, because I want to aware people in that for that cultural thing that is there from the history that is coming from. So
Okay.
if I mention this.
Mhm. Are you already doing this project currently?
No, sir, but I have been researching about this, but because of the lack
Okay.
of fund that I didn't have, I wanted to do this, but I can't access those environment or those places because that requires immense lot of funds and then lot of patience to go there and then shoot. It is a long-term project,
So
basically.
if there is some culture, like if that is kind of vanishing, there are not likely to be more people practicing that. I think it will be a good idea to do that. So I guess preserving the culture, it should be done. But again, how the judge and jury will take it is not something which I would be able to answer that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Sumit. Anyone else? The winner of grand photos will be when and where it will be displayed. Okay, so the winner will be decided on World Photography Day. There will be a live webinar where all the judges will be there and they will be deciding the winner for grant, the winner for our photography contest. And even before that, we will be announcing that all selected photos will go for display in the exhibition. So we'll be doing online exhibition as well. The online exhibition will be it will be on digital platform, and there will be on-site application where winner's photo will be displayed. It will be in a museum camera in New Delhi. It is in, to be precise, it is in Gurgaon. Okay. Anyone? I guess there is no question here. So last call for asking any new question, else we will wind it up. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. We have 4 days to go. Feel free to apply for the grant as well as for contest. And if you find any difficulty, please read terms, conditions, and everything, and then we'll take it from there. If you don't find any answer, feel free to contact us, support@cheese.com. That is the best way. The phone may not be a right option every time. Thank you very much. With this, like I guess we are good to go. Thank you guys. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Bye.
Thank you, sir.